Where is my battery? Oh, here. Oh, hello everybody. Hello my friends. What a pleasure. Welcome on my channel for another picture we're gonna take together. Or I must say multiple picture. Why? Because we're gonna shoot Packshot today. Okay, and as always I'm gonna show you all the process from start to finish. But for this we have to go in the studio. And I don't want to go in the studio without my coffee, as always, you know, I love coffee. So here we go, my friends, in the studio for another picture or multiple picture, because as you can see, I have a bunch of product here we're gonna shoot. I have some perfume, like this. I have yes, because it's almost Easter, so I've been thinking, why not shooting some chocolates? Chocolates for kids. Kinder Surprise. Is it not nice? I have some eggs also, so we can make a little set. Always in Packshot, it has to be effective, okay? The setup now, my friends, I show you. The shooting area, we're gonna put a piece of white acrylic on it, so we have a nice reflection of the product. And if your client don't want a reflection, you can easily put it away in post-production. There is no problem, okay? So my friends, the acrylic, before I put my piece of acrylic, I will put this piece of white foam board. Why? Because the acrylic is a little translucent, if you know what I mean. I don't know if you can see my hand through it. So, and that's because I have this piece of white foam board, so I have white under and no black, okay? And this is our, I just put it like this. This is our shooting area. We have to clean it in a moment. So my friends, we're gonna shoot today with my Canon 5D Mark III, as always. The lens, it's the Sigma macro lens, 105mm 2.8, a very good lens, super sharp, I love it. I trigger my light with the X Pro from Godox. I switch it on, and I will switch on my camera also. And I'm shooting tethered via Capture One, so of course I can better see what I'm shooting, and I can show you what I'm shooting. And the setting for today, ISO 100, I'm at f11 and a shutter of 200. This is just to cut out the ambient light, as always. So my friends, first we're gonna clean the acrylic piece. For this I use methylated spirit, so we have no dust, and we have a clean surface. The lighting setup, I have a white background, of course, and to illuminate my background I have two lights at the same power, and just with a reflector and no grid at a 45-degree angle. I will switch them on. First my Godox AD400, okay, and my QT 1200. Here it is. So I have also a big softbox on this side. This is my Godox QT600, and the Godox, the softbox, we're gonna put it like this. So when we put the product, the lights will wrap around, and I think we will have a good lighting. So we will test with one product to see if everything is okay. We will begin with this perfume for women called Sense, Emotion and Life in Motion. Is this not beautiful? So we're gonna I will put the live view so I can see where I already framed my picture. I have to make the focus, something like this, maybe. Okay, I will make an approximative focus. So, something like this. And we must have, of course, pure white everywhere. 255 at each channel. I will take first picture without the light to begin, just to see if we have a black frame. Okay, I take a shot. What have we? A black frame. Okay, I will take a first shot just with the lights of the background. Take a shot, and nice already. What is the measurement? I have almost 255 on each color, as you can see. It's wonderful. We're gonna switch on this light now. Okay. And I already set the power. Take a shot. And nice. But we need lights on the other side, and for this nothing complicated, just a piece of foam board, white, like this. And what have we? A good lightning, but as you can see, a lot of flare. A lot of flare because the light of the background, of course. So we have to block the light, and for this I will use some shield with some C-stand and some piece of foam board like this. I will put the live view so you can see when I'm putting the blocking in place like this. You have to be just at the edge, like straight like this, and boom, just at the edge. And the other side with this C-stand, oops, and this piece of foam board. The other side, same principle, like this, boom, 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 boom. Okay, good. Now we take a shot again. Where is my, yes, here, like this. I have no, I must go out of the live view, of course. and we take another shot, and now no flare in principle. Yes, you see the difference? This is with flare, and now with the protection, boom, much more contrasty. You see? So, and now we can put what you want. Another product, okay? Make a test. I'm gonna take this. What is this? Shower gel. Shower gel. Like this in place. Take our reflector, take a shot, and we have our picture. Almost no retouch. Straight out of the box, as you can see. We have our edges, everything is in place. It's perfect. Another one. When you have a reflective surface like this is glass, we will take a shot just like this to show you. Take a shot. What have we? Okay, but because it's glass, you can put some diffusion material in front of, like this. So it make a nice diffusion on the glass, just with this piece like this. Take another shot. We will see if it's better. What have we? Yes, you see, it's better. And another nice Packshot. So we can make our picture with our Easter things, our chocolates for Kinder in German, for kids, Kinder surprise. I will take a piece of blue tack just to put under without breaking it. I'm gonna put this here. Somewhere. I will put the live view so I can see something. Make a nice little setup rapidly. Okay, our eggs. Something like this. And we take a shot. A little light here. And we have a nice Packshot, Easter Packshot. Look at this. Okay? And we can switch another time. Why not some product like this for glasses? Like this. I have to rise a little, I think. Like this. Take a shot. And a nice Packshot of this, and so on and so on and so on, my friends. You see? Nice, nice, rapid, clean, not a lot of retouch. Et voilà, my friends, this is it. I hope this was helpful. You know now how to make good Packshots. I see you soon for another one, maybe on this channel. Welcome, my friends, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. Click the little bell also, so you know when I'm posting something new. This channel is free. I make this with passion, but it's a lot of work, so if you want to support me, you can buy me a coffee or two. The link is under the video. You can also check my Instagram account. I have lots of photos. You can subscribe too if you want. Please share this video, a like, a comment. Always a great pleasure to read you, my friends. I see you soon. Be safe. Ciao.